Charlie, what are you doing in my bed? Yes, you. What are you doing in my bed? Charlie. You know you're supposed to take a bath before you get in the bed. I think you need to go in your bed. Charlie. That bed down there is your bed. Not this big bed. That's Mama's bed. Or you can go take a bath. What do you want to do? One, two, 2.5. Charlie.